Hi guys, here's a quick after look of the shark. Ergoflex. Nice and clean, after a good service. Bit like the other one. It's got a tiny bit of dirt in there where I couldn't get to, but you know, the shark fear. It's had, it feels washed. These two and the one in there. The bin has been washed. But just apart from this area where I couldn't get to. As you know, shark fear. The seals have been cleaned. The whole machine has been wiped over and polished. The dual clean brush roll has been washed. And underneath has been cleaned. The only thing is, I couldn't get to that clear part there because with it being an anti-hair wrap model, it's got the hair removal cones or veins, whatever they call it, that cut the hair of the brush roll. But every time I put a wet wipe in and turn the brush roll around, you always get caught in the combs. So far, just leave it. But you know, we'll get dirty anyway. It's a shark fee, innit? But anyway, all underneath is being cleaned. As you can see, the hair combs have been cleaned for the drill clean brush roll. All of these were clogged up with hair. The brush roll was coated in hair. Despite that, it's meant to be anti-hair wrap, judging by these little power fins. Or blades, I think they're called. So yeah. I can't run it for long because there's no charger. It's only got one bar on the battery. It's exactly identical to the other one I did. That blue one with orange accents. I think it was blue. Orange accents, I can't remember. There you go on that, stood up, look. And it's upright mode. So yeah. That's the shark. Ergoflex. Drill clean. After service. If you like this little short video, please like and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.